In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn a drawing into a 3D model using a free AI. Head over to styler.ai. Create an account and click on New Project. Give your project a name and choose an aspect ratio. Click on the blank canvas and import your drawing. Next, click on Image to Image. Click on Auto Prompt. The AI will generate a prompt automatically. Choose a style. In this case, I'll choose Realistic, but feel free to explore and pick a different one. Adjust the prompt if needed. In the structure match, adjust the slider. You can also add a negative prompt if there is something you don't want on your image. Click on Stylerize. The AI will generate 4 different images. If you are not happy with the outcome, click on Stylerize again. As you can see, the images generated are very similar to our drawing. Let's lower the structure match to give more freedom to the AI to generate something a bit different. Once you are happy with the result, select an image and click on Place on Canvas. Delete the unwanted layers. Click on Export and upscale to improve the quality. This tool will provide you with 200 free tokens weekly. That's it, I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Also, check out other videos on my channel. Thanks for the support, guys.